Welcome back to the Camp Nou Vision Update. Today, we're diving into all the latest progress across the stadium, from the South Goal to the VIP areas and the North Goal reopening. With key milestones being reached in ceramic louvres, glass installation, and seating, it's clear the stadium is moving closer to full Phase 1C completion. Let's get right into the details. At the South Goal exterior, multiple work platforms are active across different heights, showing coordinated progress in this section. Crews are inspecting and securing anchor points, aligning structural supports, and finalizing the substructure required for the next phase of ceramic louvre installation. Activity is visible both at the upper and lower levels, particularly around the VIP ring overhang, indicating that this area is now structurally prepared for continuous and accelerated exterior installation work. A major visual milestone has been reached at the Gol Sur corner. For the first time, ceramic louvres have been installed on the upper section, with the initial 4 units of the second horizontal line now in place. This marks the beginning of full-scale progress in this area, confirming that the substructure is ready and installation has officially moved into an advanced phase. The future cafeteria is undergoing a visible transformation as glass installation progresses across the diamond-shaped sections. Large glass panels are being positioned using specialized suction lift equipment, ensuring high precision and safety during installation. These diamond structures will form part of the cafeteria and hospitality areas, allowing natural light to enter and enhancing the exterior appearance. Despite challenging weather conditions, work on the compression ring continues steadily. The first major structural elements have now been successfully installed, connecting key pillars and confirming the start of the assembly phase. With this foundation in place, preparation is underway for the next phase, which will involve installing additional box segments to gradually complete this section of the compression ring. At the North Goal, prefabricated seating installation in the 3rd tier is progressing at a strong pace. Large seating modules are being lifted and positioned efficiently, with most of the structure now covered. Despite occasional slowdowns due to rain, cranes remain active, and this section is clearly moving closer to full completion. The tubes that arrived in the previous update have now been installed along the exterior sections of the stadium. Installation was completed with impressive speed and precision, indicating significant planning and preparation took place before the materials arrived on site. The tubes are now fixed perfectly in position as part of the exterior facade system, marking rapid progress in this functional and aesthetic component of the stadium. Barcelona has officially announced the Phase 1C reopening of the North Goal on February 22nd, expanding the stadium's capacity from 45,000 to over 62,000 seats. Preparations are in full swing with insulation layers, concrete slabs, and mounting frames being installed, ensuring every corner of the upper tiers is ready for fans. Along the lateral sections, staircase structures are being enclosed with prefabricated panels. These enclosures are critical for meeting safety standards and ensuring smooth circulation for the expanded capacity in Phase 1C. Material deliveries continue steadily, with trucks bringing louvres, insulation, and structural components to the site. This consistent supply supports simultaneous progress across multiple construction zones. From ceramic louvres at Gol Sur to glass installations in the Diamond Cafeteria and the North Goal seating expansion, Camp Nou is transforming fast. Each milestone brings the stadium closer to Phase 1C completion and a reimagined matchday experience for fans. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay on top of every construction progress, make sure to hit like and subscribe. You won't want to miss the next update.